TNI So Lit. TNI So Lit. TNI So Lit. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload. Make sure you comment down below to let us know what you guys like about this video or many ideas that we can do for the next video. Like the video. I believe I said that already. This video will be about how to teach you guys how to make a thumbnail. We're only using one app. ArtPic or PicArt. It's using one app, so it's a great app, so make sure you guys go download it. A great thumbnail. I'm not a professional or anything like that. I just had to learn on my own, so I'm going to show you guys some tips that I learned for myself so you guys can learn too as well. Might be easy, so make sure you continue watching. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is how the PicArt app looks. So you want to click on the PicArt app and then press the plus button, and then you want to go to the screenshot that you want to cut out. Click on it, and once you get there, you press the scissors that's at the bottom and you color in how much you want to be cut out. And once you finish that process, you press the next button, which is the pointing over arrow, and it should come up like this. And once you're done coloring the rest in, everything don't have to be perfect, so you just can shade it in and then fix it up a little bit. Once I am lowering the density of the brush, and now I'm erasing the excess that I don't want to have on there. So if you ever mess up, you can always press that curved arrow button going to your left to put you back at the place that you messed up at. Once I'm done doing this, I'm going to show you guys the next step. So now that I'm done shading, you want to click the save button on the top right corner. Make sure you fill in everything, and then once you save it, it goes to my stickers, and then you want to click next, and then it takes you here. You want to press save, and then it will save to phone. Press done after. So now we're gonna do the same process we did with the first project, and then I will let you guys know when it's time to put everything together. So I'm basically working with a screenshot that I got from Google, and I'm just cutting it out. Okay, I'm still in PicArt. I am using this Sonic background. I'm going to place 3 of the things that I cut out, and I'm going to try to line them up how I would like it to look. But you guys can do it however you guys like. I'm going to show you guys how to blend the outline. You click on the little drip thing, so you can pick a color for it, and then I'm just doing the same thing with the bottom part, trying to line it up. And yeah, it might take a little time, but I'm lining that up. That's the background, and higher in the density. So now I'm just playing with the picture until I get it to where I would like it to be. So now I'm going to click on the lens flare and find some light, size it up, and move it to however desired I would like. I'm going to get another one and try to make a duplicate by pressing that top middle part. And so now you should have made a duplicate. So this concludes the video, and this is how you make a lit thumbnail. I hope this video was very helpful. Make sure you follow us on all social medias. Thanks guys for watching.